Do not be afraid. I am coming to bring you light. I am the light that comes into your darkness. I am with you. I have come to save you. Do not fear. I am coming to bring you peace. I am with you. Do not be afraid. Follow me, and you will not walk in darkness.
Stay with me, I will lead you to peace. My peace I give to you. I am the light of life.
You are never alone on this path. I am with you always. I am the way, the truth, and the life. My Father's house has many rooms. Come to me, and you will find rest. I am with you always.